He is so humble. He says, I am born in a very ferocious family. You see what mentality of a devotee? Certainly, I have inherited the quality of my father, my family, demoniac family. The persons like Lord Brahma and other demigods, they could not satisfy Lord. What I shall do? A Vaishnava thinks like that. Although he is transcendental, Nitya Siddha, he is thinking, identifying himself with his father. आप चैतन्य चैतन्य में बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है, दास ठाकुर का, सनातन गोस्वामी, रूप गोस्वामी, वो बोलते हैं यदि हम किसी जगन्नाथ जी के जो पांडा हैं, जो पुजारी हैं, उनको टच कर देंगे वो अशुद्ध हो जाएंगे. ही इज नॉट सुपरफिशियली कोई अपना, कई बार हम बोलते हैं we act as a humble, but there is a different intention to act as a humble. उसमें भी हम ग्लोरिफिकेशन चाह रहे हैं इन ह्यूमिलिटी. तो यहाँ पे जो शुद्ध भक्त जो एक्ट कर रहे हैं वो एक लाइक हमारे कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी क्या बोलते हैं, हम जगाई मदाई से ज्यादा पते. So that's the condition where not before judging others, let us judge ourselves. There we stand. And everyone should be friendly for the service of the Lord. Everyone should praise another's service to the Lord, not be proud of his own service only. This is the way of Vaishnava Vaikuntha. So they all have a due respect for all the. So Vaishnava, because of his natural humility, addresses every other living entity as Prabhu. A Vaishnava sees other servants to be so advanced that he has much to learn from them. So we should always be eager to learn from others. Thus, we accept all other devotees of the Lord as Prabhu, my master. Although everyone is a servant of the Lord, one Vaishnava's servant, because of humility, sees another servant as his master. So it's like Prahlad Maharaj ke purport se. A devotee is always powerful, but a devotee does not wish to show his power unnecessarily to others. Sometimes, maybe by the mercy of the Lord, he may have very good skills, but he does not show that. However, a less intelligent person has some power he wants to use and show to others in sense gratification. This is not the proper way of a devotee.